Mathematician captain goes sliding through the goal square on his football jumper. Of course, an evening at the ballet doesn't really turn me on, and sitting through the opera's just a bore. But there's nothing so divine.